guys, I'm sick of having to tell you guys this does not work no more. All the people in my Discord and my Telegram, everyone's telling me this doesn't work. You keep trying it and it doesn't work. Look, creation time. You wonder why this doesn't work. Look, in the last minute, there's been like 20 different coins made. This is too saturated. This is impossible. Look, okay, let's click on a random coin, for example. This coin right here. This coin has to make it all the way up here, guys, just to get onto deck screen, just for a chance that people can see it. Guys, that's not going to happen. It's never going to happen in a million years, but in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can launch straight onto deck screen and make a ton of money. Guys, this is all one big joke. Do not do anything I show you in this video. Do not repeat any of it. This is all educational purposes only. Alright, so I'm looking through deck screen right now. Look, we look at trending last 24 hours. Let's see what's been trending recently. Oopex Launchpad, Automatic Treasure Machine, Infinite Money Glitch, Goose Shouts Quack, all these random stuff, right? You just need to spot the token. XAI, this is performing extremely well, is it? No. If a coin looks like this, it's a rug pull. What is this? Don't invest in a coin like that. But people are stupid and people will invest in a coin like that. And that's what we're taking advantage of, guys. But look, Kanye West seems to be all in the news recently. Alright, so guys, obviously, you just want to see what's trending right now. Look, Kanye West was at the Grammys, I'm pretty sure, and a wife did that thing. So you could make a coin on that. You could make a coin on Kanye West's wife. And then if Kanye West says something about a wife, your coin's going to blow up. So basically, it's that simple, guys. Look, reverse, could make a Uno reverse, could make a coin like that. It's that simple. Just find a coin that's trending, guys. It's that simple. Real quickly as well, guys, I just want to show you why this method actually works. Look, if you go to new pairs and you click newest, it'll show you all these pairs. And if we do this as well, filter by, where is it? All platforms, Solana, save. Look. It'll show you all the Solana coins that have been made. Guys, look, in the last 10 minutes, look how many coins have been made. All them. Not that many coins compared to Pump.fun. This is a way, this is how we stand out. There'll be like quite a decent amount of people, maybe 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 people looking at this screen right now, waiting for a coin to be made. Look, TikTok, justice for TikTok. Or, look, sheep. You just pick any of these coins, basically. Justice for sheep. This was launched. And you just think, this is a rug pull as well, guys. I can tell it's 50 seconds old. It's already at 51k liquidity. This is a rug pull. But yeah, people could buy this because people are sat waiting on the screen, waiting for a good idea. And then they just ape it. It's simple as that, guys. Alright, guys, so you just want to head over to this site called canva.com. Click create design in the top left. Click create new design. And now you want your profile picture. So you might be making a meme coin about whatever. I'm making a meme coin about Donald Trump. So here we go. We just get Donald Trump profile and we just head over to here. And boom. Simple as that, guys. We upscale that. And there we go. We have our profile. And now we just want to click share, download, and PNG download. So we've got our profile. And boom, download. Now just want to head over to ChatGPT and say this prompt. Make me a short 5 words max fun description about my Donald Trump meme coin. Trump coin bigly fun. Guys, you can use this. This is an easy way to think of descriptions. You can also use your own description. It doesn't really matter. Obviously, I'm just going to use this because it's nice and simple. And now you just want to head over to the website to make the coin. Alright guys, this is the most important step. Make sure I listen to this very closely. You want to head over to this website right here. Click create token. The link will be in the description for this website, by the way, guys. And look, create token. Make sure you use this website. I mean, I've used other websites in the past, I'll be honest with you. But they never perform as well as this website because this website gets more visibility. So obviously the token performs there. So here we go. For now, I'm just going to type a random name because I can't show you guys which coin I'm making. But look, just want to click random spam, upload your profile picture. This is where you put your name, and then your symbol is just a sort of abbreviation of your name. So say for the name I was doing Donald Trump, the symbol would just be Trump. So on, so on. Just use these common sense, guys. So for supply, you want to do 90. So 123, 123, 123. Description. Enter the description you did earlier, guys. Modify creator information. So let me just explain this real quick. If you have the budget to do modify creator information, I recommend doing it because your coin will perform better. But if you're running low, then I recommend not using modify creator information. But I have the budget, so I'm just going to use it. Here we go. So I'm just going to type random, create a website. Say you're making a website about GTA. You could create a website, rockstargames.com. Say you're making a website about Google. You could create a name, google.com. You can create a website, anything that relates to your coin. If there's a website about it, you might as well just start a website. So I'm just going to do google.com because I don't have a website. Turn this off. Then you just want to tick these three. and then you want to connect your wallet. This might seem like it's a lot, guys, but this is a small price to pay for the amount of success. We'll go wait for it to load. I confirm. It'll take about 20 seconds for the coin to be created. 10, 20, 30 seconds for the coin to be created. Just wait patiently. But yeah, as I was saying, this might seem like it's a lot, but guys, this is a small price to pay for the amount of success you're going to actually get from making coins this way. Instead of on pump.fun, it might be cheaper, but you aren't going to make no money whatsoever. You're not going to make a single penny. But this way, just infinite money. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. I'm not going to cut this part as well, guys, because I want you to see the raw footage of me making it, so you guys know exactly, all the in-depth detail on how to do it. There we go. So success. The token's been made. Obviously, if we go to our thing now and we scroll down, wait for it to load. There we go. If we scroll down, we have the token we just made right there. Just random token. Obviously, guys, your token will have your profile, your name, your legit thing. I'm just doing this for educational purposes only. I'm not actually going to do this, guys. But the next step is to add liquidity, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that next. Alright, so you just want to click liquidity pool. This is the easiest part, guys. Connect your wallet, make sure your wallet's connected. Here we go. So I'm just going to click the token that I just made. Obviously, I've just spammed a few tokens. Here we go. So you just want to click 900,000,000. Pretty much, guys, that's 90% of the token going into liquidity. That's what we want. And for the quote token, we just want to select Solana as well. We can add 0.5. We can add 0.1. I recommend adding 1 Solana. If possible, add 1 Solana. 1 to 4 Solana works best. Anything below that will work. Anything above that, I mean, the more Solana, the better, really. So here we go. I'm just going to add 1 Solana. Click create liquidity pool. Bam. Then it'll give you the 30,000 unknown tokens, and that's what you need for removing the liquidity later on. Alright, so guys, you just want to open your wallet, as simple as this, and you want to scroll down until you find your token. Obviously, you'll have your liquidity, and you'll have this token. You want to click on this token, do exactly what I just did, and you want to click copy the SPL token address. And now you have the token address, just click on any random Solana meme coin, and put your address there instead. So as you can see, our token will pop up. So it's been up for like not long. Let me full screen it. So look, obviously you need to wait because it's going to take about 5 minutes until it starts getting traction. But as we wait for that, we just want to wait for the buyers to start rolling in. Oh guys, someone just bought $54. Someone just sold 1 penny. Obviously, you just want to just chill, see what happens. It's going to go up, it'll go down. You just want to wait about 10-15 minutes until you like fully sell, and then that's when you want to take profit. It'll go, here's the minute time frame. This has been out for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. I'm going to wait about 15 minutes and then I'm going to sell. Alright guys, so as I'm watching the coin go up right now, what I actually want to do is I want to tell you guys exactly why this works, because obviously there is reasons why this works. Let me just pull up deck screen. Look, the reason this works in particular is pretty much because if you go to deck screen, like look, someone else just bought $30 worth. Look, if you go to deck screen, there's a new pairs, and look, the newest, like I said, we're appearing on here. So we'll be on there. People are watching the full page and they'll see ours, our good coin, and then since people see ours, they're going to buy our coin, and then when they're buying our coin, we wait until it gets high enough, and then when it gets high enough, we just remove liquidity and get all the liquidity from it. Alright guys, so I've been waiting for a bit, and before people sell, obviously I want to remove the liquidity and take what's mine. So to remove liquidity, you just want to head over back to the Easy Coin Launch website, click manage liquidity and click remove liquidity, and then there we go. We'll have what we're just thinking, and you just want to copy and paste this amount right there. Just click withdraw. And as you can see, guys, we put in 1 sol, and look, we can take out 7 sol just like that in a matter of 20 minutes. We've finessed at least 6 sol. So I'm just going to remove that and take the free money.